Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by evaluating urgency. Determine if the blurriness came on suddenly or slowly, because sudden changes require immediate attention. While you act, note pain, flashes, double vision, or a shadow in one eye. These are red flags. If you wear contacts, take them out now and rinse the eyes with sterile saline to remove debris. Do not force rubbing. Once that initial triage is done, prepare to test basic, reversible causes before assuming a serious problem. Now you address the typical, treatable causes. First, confirm your corrective lenses are current by testing near and distance reading. A wrong prescription often explains gradual blur. For dryness, use preservative-free artificial tears every few hours, do deliberate blinking exercises, and run a humidifier. These restore tear film and clarity. Also check systemic factors. Measure blood sugar and blood pressure, and review recent medications or finish by deciding escalation. If you experience sudden vision loss, intense eye pain, flashes, or a curtain-like shadow, go to emergency care immediately for retinal or vascular evaluation. If blur is gradual but persistent despite tears and correct lenses, book a comprehensive eye exam including dilation and retinal imaging. If exams are normal yet symptoms continue, pursue troubleshooting with a medication review, allergy testing, or neurologic imaging. Make sure to communicate recent changes and prior eye history to your clinician to guide next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.